You know, I was thinking this morning at the gas station, we try so hard to live a straight life in a crooked ass world. Like, the system that we deal with is crooked. The streets are crooked. You know what I mean? The government is crooked. Every fucking thing is crooked. And meanwhile, we're trying to live straight and do right in a crooked ass world. Think about this, you know. Sometimes you be like, really? But we just got to keep doing what we're doing, man, and maintaining and opening up our own doors, because everybody is for self. Believe that. And for those of us who are not for self, you know, we got the enemy always trying to fight against us. So we have to work together so that way we can get over the hump and keep on doing what we're doing, because this is a crooked ass world. Hold on.